Alright guys, check this out. How many times do you think a spinner ball actually spins on just one push? Sounds simple, right? But doing the math with all the variables, the force, the friction, the air resistance, that's actually crazy hard to calculate on paper. So instead of just guessing, we're going to test it, for real, on camera. And this is just the beginning. This is the first video in a brand new experiment series we're kicking off right here, right now. Every single week, we're bringing you a new experiment. New questions, new tests, new results. So if you don't want to miss a single one, you already know what to do. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and check back every week. Now, for experiment number 1, we needed a way to actually count the spins, because just watching it with your eyes, way too fast, way too easy to lose count. So here's what we did. We stuck a bright yellow piece of paper right onto the spinner ball. Every single time that yellow paper comes back around and passes this point, that counts as one full rotation. Simple system, simple rule. But trust me, once this thing gets going, counting is not going to be easy. All right, everybody ready? Let's start counting. Okay, and the result is in. 84 rotations. That's our average from this first test. We used every trick our cameras and equipment had to get that number as accurate as possible. Now let's move on to test number 2. This time, we're going to hold it vertically. Wait, the result is unbelievable. If we didn't make a mistake, it's 84 again. The exact same number, ladies and gentlemen. That's just not something you see every day. All right, that's it for this video. See you next week for the next experiment.